Hello guys and welcome to another episode. So let's get right into sketching. So first thing I do is to check my metric system and choose the right one. So next is to choose my plane where I need to sketch. So we are still on basic sketching skills, still improving our basic sketching skills. So we shouldn't pay too much into choosing of planes. We'll get to understand that better as we progress. So now for my sketch, I'll sketch my circles and dimension them to the actual dimensions. So I'll make the inner one for construction because it's not part of my sketch. I just need it there in making relations. So let's progress. So now I'll be drawing my center lines, both the vertical and the horizontal center lines, so that they can help me in creating smart dimensions for my sketch. I draw that. Okay, trim that part away. I don't think I need it. So I'm going to draw my horizontal center line also. Yes, all in construction form. Both in construction form. I just there to help me make relations. So I'll draw my circles now, my inner circles with a dimension of 10 diameter. So now I'm going to do a circular sketch pattern on that because I need 5 of them in my circle. If you go to my features manager, entities to pattern will be my circle. I'll change the number of circles to 5 and I'll click OK. So now to draw my slot tools, now I'm using the center point slot. To do this, to use this entity, I'll be clicking on 3 sides. That is the midpoint. Then where I want the slot to begin, I'll click again for my second click. Then the third click would be where I want the slot to end. Then I drag outward. If the width is okay for me, I click OK, and that is it. It is drawn that way. So I'm needing 2 of them, so I'll do the same way. Click at the middle, click to where I want the slot to begin, then click to where I want it to end. Drag outward and OK. So there they are, looking good. So now I'm going to draw a center line to help me. Okay, it's going to help me create a relation there to dimension my slots. I'll also do the same thing at the other side, the other end of the slot. Draw a straight line. So now from that line, from the vertical center line, has an angle of 45 degrees. So I'm going to add that. Also the other side, also 45 degrees. Okay, so that looks good now. So now my slot, now the edges of my slot at the arc, I'm going to dimension them. The inner one has a radius of 10 with the outer one a radius of 15. So now if you look at my sketch properly, let's take a look at the inner circle. You will see that out of my first 5 circles, only just 1 is in black. Shows me that the rest 4 circles are underdefined. And if I need to make them defined, then means that I just have to select all of them and create a relation, an equal relation. Shows that once you are doing any pattern of any entity or mirroring any entity, tells you that only the shape is patterned or mirrored. The relations of that original entity, the dimension of that original entity is not patterned or mirrored alongside. You would have to do the same thing you did to that original entity to make it defined by adding your dimensions and relations directly to the patterned and or mirrored entities. So now if you see that, look how my center point arc is. I don't bother too much. If I create a relation, I know it will look good, so I'm creating a tangent relation with the circle. So there it is. I'm also creating a tangent relation to that arc. Okay, so it appears like that. I'm going to mirror this now. I'll mirror that arc across the, using my mirror axis, my vertical center line. So if I do that now, if you take a look at the mirrored arc, you see how it crosses the arc. See how it crosses the arc. It shows you that the tangent relation I created wasn't mirrored alongside. So if I create that relation now, make that arc tangent now to the arc now, you see how it looks better like the other one. Now you see it's looking much better now. I also create a tangent relation with the circle. So I hope we get towards making our sketch fully defined. If you need to make your sketch fully defined, all you need to do is all your pattern entities, you'll have to add dimensions or relations directly to them for them to be defined. Now I'm going to mirror that across the horizontal center line. Now that's my sketch. See, my sketch is coming real now, so that's it. I think it's looking much better. So this is it, guys. This is it. So now we've learned how we can use the center point slot tool. So thanks, guys.